Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of Python, one of the most popular programming language out there. In this quick video, we walk through the entire process of installing Python on your system, no matter if you are using Windows, macOS, and Linux. So, in the next slide, we see why Python. So, various application of Python in web development, data science, machine learning, and automation. We are using Python. How we can download Python? Head over the official website of Python, python.org. So we can click this website and we can download from here. There is for Windows, Linux, macOS, and other. You can download from here. Click this and set on your system. In my computer it is already there, so I am not going to install. You can go that link and click that button, download button, and install it. You can install for Windows, Mac, Linux one by one. And in the next slide, I will show you how to verify your Python is installed or not. Verifying installation. Open your command prompt. Type cmd. Open your command prompt here and type this command. You can check Python is installed or not on your system. So Python 3 is not here. Python in my system. Python is here. Here. Look at here. Python 3.9.6. It is already there in my system. So I am not going to install. If you want latest, you can update it. How to next slide we'll see how to install pip. Go to your command prompt and type this command. You can see